Hey bunnies, this is the weekly update for the bunny class, October 23rd through 27th. All right, upcoming events. We have our parent-teacher conferences. Wednesday, October 25th is a half day. We'll have a 12:10 dismissal. And Thursday and Friday, no school for parent-teacher conferences. Some more upcoming events on Thursday, November 9th at 2:30 p.m. is the Family Veterans Day Assembly. So you are invited to come and watch the students sing their songs and do a wonderful presentation for Veterans Day. And then, of course, Friday, November 10th, there is no school for Veterans Day. All right, our learning targets this week. In social emotional learning, we're going to be learning about empathy, that people can have different feelings about the same situation. And the learning target for English language arts, in knowledge, I can identify the main character setting and major events in nursery rhymes, Little Boy Blue, Baa Baa Black Sheep, and Humpty Dumpty. In math, for first grade, we are counting on to subtract. We're going to start using this tool called the number line. And then in kindergarten, counting and writing numbers to 10. I don't know if any of you have seen every month we do a new calendar, and boy, kindergarten really has done a great job. The very first time we did our calendar, they'll write all the numbers in the month, and it was very difficult for many of them. They could write maybe a few numbers, and this last month in October when we did it, they did a great job. So almost all of them wrote to 10 and even some to 20. So I'm looking forward to November's calendar. Take a look to see about that when it comes in the 1st of November, and you'll see how much your students are growing. All right. Also in English language arts skills for first grade, we are reading words again with short vowel A, I, and O. And then we started tricky words. Tricky words are words that don't follow any phonics pattern. So this week we reviewed I and A as a word, and this coming week, we'll be doing tricky words no, so, and of. These are just words you have to learn. All right, and then in kindergarten, I can hear separate sounds and words. So we've got two words here, bug. So bug has three sounds, and play also has three sounds, even though it has four letters. So P-L-A. All right, these are the building blocks of reading and writing. Also, in English language arts for kindergarten, I can identify and say the sound for the letters C, D, and E. We've started with A and B last week. We've been working on handwriting and sounds and letter identification. All right, blended learning, tech for learning. We've been doing really great with getting our passwords, and we just have a few kids who are still needing a little help with that, but they're very close to getting that goal. But one of the things we've been finding out is that charging the Chromebook and returning it to school every day is really a goal for the kindergarten and first grade classes. So I just wanted to show you sometimes when you plug it in at night, it really does need to be plugged in every night. It should have a white or bluish white light down here that shows that it is charging. If it's red or it blinks, the light blinks on and off, it means that the charging port has something wrong with it. Maybe it's a little wiggly. So please let me know if that's a problem, because what we can do is we'll send it in and they'll fix it for you, and then there'll be another one that your student a Chromebook can be on loan for them. So just let me know about that. You can send me a message on the Parent Square. All right. And also, Tech for Learning, our goal is 30 minutes per week in each of these programs. We use lots of different programs on the Chromebook. We use Google Classroom, we use SplashLearn, we use Epic. There are lots, and your kids can show you all about those. They're really great learning tools. But these are the two main ones that we use: iReady for math and Amplify Boost for ELA. And both of these programs are amazing programs in that they do a diagnostic to see what level your child is, and then it is interactive, meaning if your child is doing very well, it will bump the level up a little bit. If your child needs more work, on something, then it will tell me, and we can work with them in a small group, and or I can assign different lessons too. So the goal for these two programs is 30 minutes per week. So in iReady, it's very easy. You can ask your student to show you how many minutes, and it goes from Sunday to Sunday. And so what we try to do is throughout the week, the students will check how they're doing on their 30 minutes per week. And by Thursday, if they have finished the 30 minutes per week, then on Friday, they get to have some choice on the computer on Chromebooks. And the same with Amplify. Now, Amplify is a little bit more difficult in the fact that I don't believe the students can check their own. I think I have to kind of help them look, but we're still learning about this program because it's brand new. But it is also interactive, and I suggest that on Thursdays, you check with your student and see if they have their 30 minutes. If they haven't finished it, then they can do a little homework on Thursday night so that on Friday they can have their Friday fun day and choose other learning activities on the Chromebook. We'll talk more about that during conferences. Okay. All right, moving on. Remember, it's rainy weather. No umbrellas at school. Please wear rain gear. Water bottles and snacks. Thank you for remembering to have water bottles that your children can open and close by themselves. And parent-teacher conferences are coming up. I look forward to meeting with you